Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class first in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I'm your computer teacher. Now we will start lesson number 3, uses of computer. But before starting our today's topic, first we will see what you had learned in this lesson in our last class. So now all of you look at in your textbook. So now all of you look at in your textbook. We will start chapter number 3, uses of computer. But before starting our today's topic, first we will see what you had learned in this lesson. So student, all of you know very well what you had learned in this lesson. Lesson name is uses of computer. So which uses of computer? The uses of computer for playing games, typing, making drawings, solve some. Computer are used for playing game, type, making drawing and solve sum. So these work we can do on our computer. First is the playing games on a computer. So student, all of you know very well which type of game we can play on our computer. So we can play games on our computer like cricket, racing, chess, basketball. So like that game we can play on our computer. Then after now look at here giving the picture of games. So this first is the cricket game, then racing, chess and basketball. Then next is the typing. So what is the meaning of typing, and for typing which part we are using? So for typing we are using the keyboard. For typing we are using the typing. So when we want to write on our book, so for that we need pencil. When we want to write anything on our notebook, so for that we need pencil. Same when we want to write on our computer, so for that we need a keyboard. When we want to write on our computer, so for that we need a keyboard. So when we want to write on our computer, so for that we need a keyboard. That keyboard have a lots of buttons. The keyboard have a lots of buttons. That button is known as the keys. That button is known as the keys. The keyboard has a many keys. These keys are pressed to write words and number. That keys are right for a words and number. These called a typing. These called a typing. Then after making drawing. So for when we want to draw any drawing in our computer, so for that we need a drawing program. So for that we can need a drawing programs like that. When we want to draw pictures, in our drawing book, so for that we need a drawing books and tools. So same when we want to draw pictures in our computer, so for that we need a drawing programs. Then after we had done the solve sum. So we can solve sums in our computer. We can solve sums on our computer by using the calculator program. Then listen to music. We can listen music on our computer. Like that we can listen music on our TV. Like that we can listen music on our computer. Then watching cartoon movies. We can watch movies. We can watch cartoons on our computer. Then at school. In school also computer is used. In the school computer is used for the teachings. Computer is used for the preparing exam result. In the school computer is used for maintaining the students, teachers, details. So in the school lots of uses of the computer. At the home also computer using. At the home, computer also using. At the home, computer is used for making project, doing homework, send email. So these are the uses of computer at a home. At home, computer also used for watching movies, playing games, then listening song. Lots of uses of computer at home also. So these are our lesson. Then after we had done the computer manners. So when we are sitting in the computer lab, when we are sitting the computer room in our home, so when we are doing the work together, so we will sit together, so our work will be finished at a time. Then after we had done the exercise. So in exercise question number 1, here have a giving the pictures of the rabbit. So this work we can do on our computer. So that picture we are tick the correct, and which work we cannot do on our computer, so where we will tick the cross. So first picture is this one is the playing game. So we can play games. Yes, so we are ticking the correct. Then we can cook the food. No, so we are make here cross. Then writing letter, we can write letter. Yes, so we are here tick. We can washing the dish. Wash कर सकते हैं dish को. No, so we are here put the cross. Then after we had done the question number 2, these little ladybirds, beetles are carrying some transports with the words written on them. Can you make words pair of the different things you can do on a computer? Match each red color beetle with a blue color beetle. So we can match here red color beetle with blue color beetles. So first we are writing here a red color beetle. So type, then उसके बाद play, then after solve, then after we have write here listen, and then last is the same. So type is matched with words, play is matched with game, solve is matched with sum, listen is matched with music, send match with a email. So we can type words on our computer, we can play games on our computer, we can solve sums on our computer, we can listen music on our computer, and we can send email on our computer. Then after we had done the question number 3, look at the picture show below and filling the blanks to complete the given sentence. So here given the picture, that picture in which part of computer we are looking. So in our keyboard we are looking these buttons. That button is known as the keys. You can find these on filling the blanks on the computer. So which part we are looking this? We are looking that pictures on our keyboard. So here answer is keyboard. Keyboard spelling is KEYBOARD, keyboard. Then question number 4, filling the blanks with the correct word. Filling the blanks with the correct word. So first word is the picture, second is the game, third one is the music, fourth one is the sums, and fifth one is the type. So first sentence, you can type filling the blanks on a computer. We can play filling the blanks on a computer. We can play what we are playing. We can play games on a computer. Then you can filling the blanks later on a computer. We can filling the blanks later on a computer. We can type. Later को हम क्या करते हैं? Type करते हैं. Then we can draw filling the blanks on a computer. We can draw filling the blanks. हम क्या draw करते हैं कंप्यूटर के अंदर? Picture. We can draw pictures on a computer. We can solve filling the blanks on a computer. We can what? We can solve sums. We can solve sums on a computer. Then in number, we can listen to filling the blanks on a computer. We can listen what? We can listen a music. We can listen music on a computer. Then question number 5, write the T for the true statement and F for the false statement. So first statement is a computer is used in school for preparing result. True or false? In a school, computer is used for preparing result. Yes. So this statement is the true. Then B number, a computer can use a teachers can use a computer to teach student. A teachers can use a computer to teach student. True or false? Yes, teachers using computer for teach a student. So this statement is the true. Then C number, a computer cannot be used to send mail. A computer cannot be used to send mail. Computer is not used for a send mail. So this statement is the false, because computer is used for a sending mail. But here word is the cannot, means we cannot send mail by using the computer. So this statement is the false. We can make project using a computer. Yes, we can make project on our computer. So here is the true. Now E number, you cannot watch movies on a computer. We cannot watch movie on a computer. So we cannot watch movie on our computer. So this statement is the false, because we can watch movies, we can watch cartoons on our computer. But here word is coming cannot, means we cannot see movies on our computer. So this statement is the false. So here writing here F. So this is the question, this exercise from your textbook, and this one is the some question answer. This I am take out from your textbook. So this already we had done. This PDF file also already I was send you. ये ऑलरेडी मैंने सेंड किया हुआ भी है, ये ऑलरेडी हमारा डन भी हुआ है. सो वन टाइम हम फिर से देखेंगे हमने इसमें क्या पढ़ा था. सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो वी कैन टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो फर्स्ट, we can play filling the blanks on a computer. We can play filling the blanks on a computer. Solve, write, games and draw. So we can play, हम कंप्यूटर में क्या प्ले कर सकते हैं? सॉल्व को, राइट, गेम्स एंड ड्रॉ. So we can play games on our computer. We can play games on our computer. And now what is the spelling of games? G-A-M-E-S, games. We can play games on a computer. Game spelling G-A-M-E-S, games. Then second number, we use a filling the blanks to write on the computer. So when we want to write on our computer, so for that we need keyboard, mouse, CPU and monitor. So for that we need a keyboard. When we want to write on our computer, so for that we need a keyboard. So keyboard spelling is K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard is used for writing on a computer. We can use a keyboard to write on the computer. Then third number, the keyboard has a many filling the blanks. A keyboard has a many arrows, keys, symbols and dots. A keyboard has a many keys. A keyboard has a many keys. Keyboard's key spelling is K-E-Y-S, keys. Key spelling is K-E-Y-S, keys. The keyboard has a many keys. Then fourth number, computer can be used to filling the blanks sum. Computer can be used to filling the blanks sum. कंप्यूटर में हम सम को क्या करते हैं? राइट, ड्रॉ, solve and play. We can solve sums on our computer. We can solve sums on our computer. So here is answer is the solve. Solve spelling is SOLVE, solve. SOLVE, solve. We can solve sums on our computer. Computer can be used to solve sums. Computer is used for solve sums. Then next one is the fifth number. We can filling the blanks to music on computer. We can filling the blanks to music on computer. हम कंप्यूटर में म्यूजिक को क्या करते हैं? राइट, लिसन, सॉल्व एंड ड्रॉ. सो वी कैन लिसन म्यूजिक ऑन आवर कंप्यूटर. सो हियर स्पेलिंग इज द लिसन. लिसन स्पेलिंग इज LISTEN, listen. Listen spelling is LISTEN, listen. We can listen to music on computer. Then sixth number. We can filling the blanks movies. We can filling the blanks movie on the computer. Computer में हम movies को क्या करते हैं? Watch, solve, write and draw. So we can watch movies on computer. We can watch movie on computer. So watch spelling is WATCH, watch. We can watch movies on computer. Then seventh number. Teachers using computer for filling the blanks. So teachers using computer for playing games, doing homeworks, teachings and project reports. So teachers using computer for teaching. Teachers using computer for teaching. So teaching spelling is TEACHING, teaching. TEACHING, teaching. Then question number 8. Student use computer for. Student is use computer for project report, doing homework, both 1 and 2, and none of these. The answer is both 1 and 2. Because computer use student for making the project reports and doing the homework. So answer is both A and B. Answer is both A and B. So this is the tick the correct answer. Now question number 2. Below the words are jumbled. Find out what the words is and write it on the blank. So here I have some words. So first word is the type, then type, game, music, keyboard and drawing. So here I have some wrong words. So we can write that correct words. हमें जम्बल वर्ड लिखना है. ठीक है, हमें करेक्ट वर्ड लिखना है. उसको करेक्ट वर्ड में हमें लिखना है. सो फर्स्ट YSKE. सो जम्बल वर्ड इज द KEYS, keys. KEYS, keys. Then second is the TPEY. So correct word is the type. TYPE, type. TYPE, type. Then third number is the RDWANGI, and correct word is the drawing. Drawing spelling is DRAWING, drawing. Drawing spelling is DRAWING, drawing. Drawing spelling is DRAWING, drawing. Then fourth number AGEM. Correct word is the GAME, game. Correct word is the GAME, game. Then fifth number is CISUM. Correct word is the music. Music spelling is MUSIC. 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 Again one time. First YSKE. Correct word is the keys. Keys spelling is KEYS. Keys. Then next one is the TPEY. Correct word is the type. Type spelling is TYPE. Type. Then third number is RDWANGI. Correct word is the drawing. Drawing spelling is DRAWING. 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 Then fifth number is AGEN. Correct word is the game. Game spelling is GAME. 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 Then fifth number is CISUM. Correct word is the music. Music spelling is MUSIC. Music. Then question number 3, match the following. So first word is the send. Send spelling is SEND. Send. Second word is the play. Play spelling PLAY. Play. Then C number is the type. Type spelling is TYPE. Type. Then D number is the solve. So solve spelling is SOLVE. Solve. And E number is the listen. Listen spelling is LISTEN. Listen. Then this side word is the first is the games. Game spelling is GAMES. Games. Second number EMAIL. Email. Then third number is the sum. Sum spelling is SUMS. 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 Fourth number is the words. Word spelling is WORDS. Words. Fifth number is the music. Music spelling is MUSIC. 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 So first is the send. So student, send is match with. So we can send what? We can send email. We can send email by using the computer. So for send is match with email. Send is match with email. SEND. Send. EMAIL. email. And that E means electronic mail. E का मतलब क्या होता है? Electronic mail. So send is match with email. Then play. So student, which thing we can play on our computer? So we can play games on our computer. We can play games on our computer. So here play is match with games. Here play is match with games. So play, PLAY play, and games, GAMES. Games. PLAY play, GAMES. Games. Then type. Type is match with words. So we can types and numbers on our computer. So type is match with words. TYPE. Type. WORDS. Word. TYPE. Type. WORDS. Words. Then solve. We can fill in the blanks. We can what? We can solve sums. We can solve sums on our computer. हम कंप्यूटर के अंदर क्या सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? कंप्यूटर के अंदर हम सम्स को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. SOLVE solve, SOLVE solve, and sums, SUMS sums. Then listen. We can listen what? We can listen music. We can listen music on our computer. So listen is match with music. Listen is match with music. LISTEN. Listen, and music, MUSIC. 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 So listen is match with music. So this is the question number 3. So these are the questions which I take out from your textbook. So question number 1, tick the correct answer. Question number 2, below the words jumble, find out what the word is, right word is, and write it on the blank. And question number 3 is the match the following. So this is our lesson number. This is our lesson number 3, uses of computer. So I hope all of you nicely understood our lesson number 3, uses of computer. And thank you and have a nice day.